Hey, welcome back to the channel for another video. So let's talk Canon and their, how do I put this delicately, their elusive stance on third-party RF lenses. Hey Canon, can we have some third-party lenses? And Canon, in their infinite wisdom, once again responded with the equivalent of, who's asking? We don't know what you're talking about, but also we do, but also, shh. All right, so this all went down at CP+, where Canon's Executive Vice President and Imaging Group Manager was asked yet again about third-party lens support. And your boy hit us with some serious corporate double talk. He said, and I quote, "Other companies have begun to release several RF lenses, but we have no knowledge of what types of lenses they will release. We only know that these have been released." What? So you don't know what's coming, but you know what's coming, but you don't? Make it make sense. Then he hits us with this. We cannot disclose the contents of contracts, such as licenses, to the public. Right now, all I can say is that we're deciding the contents of contracts within our business strategy, which is corporate speak for we'll allow it when we feel like it. So basically, last year he was asked the same question, where he said, they were more than halfway there as far as communication with third-party manufacturers. Fast forward a year, Tamron and Sigma have released APS-C RF lenses, and Samyang snuck in their 12mm f2. But here's where it gets spicy. Nobody actually knows which of these companies are officially licensed by Canon. Like, did Samyang get a secret handshake agreement? Did they just YOLO it and drop the lens hoping no one would notice? Did Canon send them a cease and desist? We need answers. So in a nutshell, here's what Canon actually said. They didn't say no. They didn't say yes, but they really didn't say no. And in the world of Canon, well, that's as close as a yes as we're probably gonna ever get. Which could mean we may be inching towards third-party full-frame lenses for the RF. You know, meanwhile, Sony shooters are all out here just vibing, bathing in their endless sea of third-party glass while, we're here watching like peasants. I get it, that Canon is most likely just protecting their native RF lenses for as long as possible. I understand. It's business, but we're just asking for options. So, Canon, I love your cameras. I'm a huge Canon guy, but just blink twice if the full-frame third-party lenses are coming. Well, for now we wait. So tell me in the comments, what's the one third-party lens that you'd instantly grab if it dropped on the RF? And if you're sick of waiting, make sure to smash that like button with the force of a frustrated RF shooter. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be alerted of new videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my personal photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll catch you in the next video.